if you put your ear on my chest, okay, you can hear the murmur. Can you imagine that? You can hear it, and it sounds like this. It sounds like murmur, 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 like that, you know? I mean, that's when I'm, you know, if I'm calm and I'm having a good day and I'm at rest, maybe I'm sitting, you know, that's what it sounds like. But let's say I get up and I just go for a run, or I'm running away from the cops or my own father, whatever. If you were to listen then, it'd sound like this: murmur, 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 like that. You know what I mean? So that's that. And then let's say I'm not in a good mood. You know what I mean? And you listen then, it would be like murmur, murmur,